I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today, I am going to discuss about the topic 16 weekly com. So, do watch this video till the end and stay tuned while I will share its salient features. Also, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to our channel as it will boost our spirit to bring out more informative videos. Now, talking about this website, basically this website aims to sell courses. Let's look about other things that this website has to offer and how it actually operates. Now, after you open the link of this website, a home page appears which doesn't have anything saying about 16 weekly com, but this website has been registered in United States to be very specific. Now when you open the website, it appears that there's a link of a video which says that how an ex-army grunt earns this much per day. Seems to be very promising though. Let's look further. Now moving further, we have to enter an email address. We will enter a random email address just so that this website doesn't breach our information. Let's enter any random email address. I don't know if it belongs to someone or not. We are just being so random about it. After clicking on submit, a page appears which says to watch some video which is of 7 minutes long, 9 minutes long actually. Now moving further, this website doesn't appear anything, doesn't have any information, no contact information, no address, no contact number, no email ID. They also offer a free copy of the Prosperity Warrior map. For that we have to click here. We are just clicking and checking out what this actually is. This offers that start earning within 1 week. It is mentioned here. Now there are certain reviews about its team members, how they do, how they earn money and how they are going to display. Information about the team members are here. Then again there are many videos which will let you earn money in 1 week. They have shown you the procedure, how could you earn money. So basically they offer you courses of $3,000, $7,000, $14,000, $21,000 respectively. Now that's very massive income, I would say. It would not be an income but a massive investment on an online course which is not even having reviews about it. Moving further, they guarantee you that you will earn a massive income within a week, which is pretty hard to digest because no one start earning in a week. There are no reviews, no address, no contact number as I have mentioned. Talking further about the registration of this website was registered on 17th April 2020, which is obviously not very old. The name who registered was Who is Guard Protected. Now moving further, no contact number is mentioned. We can't trust so after going through the details, we can't say that this website is safe to be trusted upon, because investing such a huge amount of money to an online course which is not even valid, I would say, because they are not having any customer reviews, or plus the website has been registered very recently, so it appears to be a scam, I would say. I would like to know what are your point of view regarding this. Please let us know in the comment section. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like and share this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe.